Hey, Xavier here. Been hearing about many people having trouble downloading the most up-to-date version of TC Underfell, and today I'll be demonstrating the process of getting the most up-to-date version of it downloaded and ready to use. Now first of all, I should clarify that as of recording, there is only a Windows and an Android build of the game. So if you want to play on something like Mac or Linux, then you're out of luck. Okay, so to start off, here's the Gamejolt page, which I have linked in the description. The build here is not the most recent build, and will give you a message saying your game version is outdated if you attempt to download and play it, not allowing you to progress further. In order to find the most recent build of the game with the most bug patched, you will need to go to the Discord that I have linked in the description. If you wish, you can also go to the official Gamejolt page and scroll down all the way down here, press show more, and then go to the Discord server link to use the same invite link. So alright, once you've joined the server, it should look a little bit like this. Make sure to read through the rules before doing anything else. And now you'll need to go to the announcements channel to find the links listed here, which will provide you a link for Windows and the Android download. For any reason you don't want to go through all these steps, I also have these links listed in the description, but I have no guarantee that by the time you watch this that they will be still the most up to date. If you have any issues or experience any bugs in the game, then please refer to the Known Issues channel first, which is here. And if this is already listed, it is something that is already being worked on. If not, then head to the Bug Reports channel to report the bug, and the Troubleshooting channel for help if it's keeping you from playing the game. Before I continue, the next steps will all be for the Windows version of the game, as I do not have an Android device and I can't demonstrate the rest of the process for Android devices, but things may be similar. Now once you download the game from the Discord, it should look like this. I just have my desktop right now for demonstration purposes. In order to open it, you just double click it or right click and click open. Now I won't just have a freak out because it doesn't recognize the publisher, but don't worry. This download is completely safe and harmless. Just click more and then run anyway. Now to something that I and a couple of other players have. Now onto something that I and a couple of other players have talked to have done by accident. If you go to the settings and then go to controls and you set up the controls, then you have the possibility then change your keybinds, which I recommend doing anyways, since controls are the same as Undertales. Then you run the possibility of messing up and setting your keybinds in an unplayable state where you can't reset them. In this situation, what you will need to do is go to your Windows search bar and type in very carefully %app data %. Once you do that, you'll end up in the app data roaming folder. You need to go up one folder by clicking this little arrow here, and then going to the local folder. Once you're there, you will need to search for a folder called the Colossus Fell folder, which for me is right here. And once you're here, you will need to delete that folder by clicking it, and then right-clicking it and pressing delete. Now be warned, this will also delete your save data. There's a txt file in the folder that I think might be related to keybind settings, but I do not know for sure and haven't tested it. Now that you've deleted the folder, just open up TC Underfell, and your keybinds should be set right back to normal. Now that's all I have for you guys today, but if you have questions, make sure to pop them in the comments for me to answer, and subscribe for more content.